How do I access environment variables in Python? How do I get the value of an environment variable in Python?
Environment variables are accessed through os.environ. To see a list of all environment variables, if a key is not present, attempting to access it will raise a key error. To avoid this,
To check if the key exists, returns true or false. You can also use get when printing the key, useful if you want to use a default. Where /home/username/ is the default. Actually, it can be done this way. Or simply, for viewing the value in the parameter. Or to set the value.
Here's how to check if $foo is set.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.